Hi, this is Raj Kumar Pal. In today's video, I'm going to share about my perspective on the knowledge or the knowledge business or the expertise level. In today's modern world, there is no coincidence that having a specific knowledge, is a very good thing because in today's AI moving world is becoming so much of vast abundance in the knowledge, but lot of this earlier it was saying that those people who have a specific knowledge in a specific kind of field, for example, who was the expert in the photography, they are making good living by photography. But nowadays, due to the various tools and technologies has been evolved throughout the photography, mere photography is become the very non-valuable too in today's marketplace. So the same way it happens with the knowledge worker, those people who are studied something and have a degree in specialized like environment or like a engineering or a doctorate or a philosophy, whatever it may be, guess arts or science, commerce, business, whatever it may be. And if you going deep in any specific one subject and you build your career on that, but what happened in today's scenario is that there is a lot of people who have built the skill in a different domains apart from their own interest or the own degree. Because earlier what happened is that, for example, if you take the ancient wisdom or the ancient people like Leonardo da Vinci, the Galileo, the Einstein or the Isaac Newton, all are has a polymathic type of personality. And in modern polymath, we can say that like Elon Musk, like Jeff Bezos, Steve Jobs, Warren Buffett, or like those people have a vast range of knowledge in a different domain of career, and they point down those different domains of knowledge in a specific one field. For example, Elon Musk has studies engineering, design, manufacturing, and space, aircraft, everything, and they build their skill in the different businesses. So, in the same manner, if we are a knowledge worker, we are working in a job or working in a specific domain of our expertise. Nowadays, what become that we have to must cultivate the thought process of gaining or learning skill to the different domain of areas, and learning from the different domains have a enormous effect in our current skill set or the current profession. It is called the T shape gaining knowledge, because how it work is that if, for example, there is a generalized doctor, there are a lot of MBBS and middle level degrees in the medical field are found to be more in numbers. But while a specific doctor like a heart surgeon, eye surgeon, or the neurosurgeon, brain surgeon are very less, though they are making lot money or more prestigious and status than the generalized doctor. But what happened is this: those the volume of the people are always going to the generalized people. And as per today's modern world comparison, the modern world, there is a lot of tools like automations is coming down. There is a very tools and techniques are more automatized, more programmed, with a different sets of action set, skill set, and uh, proficiency in a different field. While man has a limited capacity to work on behalf of one actualized or experienced knowledge or the expertise, so we cannot compete with the upcoming or the advancement in the processes, technology, and everything else. So we have to be polymath, and the polymath in the sense we have to learn the different domain of the field and how we can embed those learning or the skill set in our current set of working or knowledge work. So this has become very crucial thing, and that's how we must follow through them. Otherwise, what happens when we become the numb and dumb by remaining in our same set of knowledge or the skills. So how to do that? There is no need to go again college degree and take a whole set of things, because we have some kind of experience in our field whatever we working. What is the parallel resources or the parallel skill sets or the knowledge has been knowledge what we can gain, so that we can make our point or make our position more stronger, more profound and more demandable, no matter what the competition is or no matter what the situation is. So if we are stand on the pillar of diverse set of skill set and the knowledge, then we can dominate our career, dominate our field. And if you are not adaptable, if you are not open to learn or open to adapt the current perspective of the knowledge workers, then it is going to become difficult for us. So that's all about it. Us, though, in today's the whole point is that becoming generalist is not a sin, it is a demand of the hour. And so that without being skeptical on the specific knowledge or a specific mastery level of knowledge in a one domain or the one field, we should must cultivate the broader perspective and a broader domain of the knowledge. And by combining those broader level of knowledge in our current small expertise or small level of our experience, this will boost us our career growth, career path like a J curve. So that's all about us. Thank you very much.